Have you ever worked on an essay or report and wanted to include a large image, maybe a nice graph or chart? The answer is to put that page in a horizontal or landscape layout. So you try that, but then all of the pages turn to landscape. Here's the fastest, easiest way to make one page landscape in a Word document. First, select the image or text that we want to be in a landscape-oriented page. Next, click on the Layout tab. Click on the down arrow under the Margins button. Click on Custom Margins. In the middle of the Page Setup window, click on the Landscape button. At the bottom of the Page Setup window, in the Apply To Select box, change it to Selected Text. Then click OK. The selected image or text will now be on its own landscape-oriented page. Resize the chart or the image for the best fit, and we have a beautiful report. As simple as this method is, it can be more quickly done using the keyboard shortcuts. Let's go through how to use keyboard shortcuts to make one-page landscape in Word. Select the image or text that you want on a landscape-oriented page. Press the Alt key and then P to take us from the Home tab to the Layout tab. Press the M key to open the Margins button drop-down. Press the A key to choose Custom Margins. Press Alt and S to choose Landscape Orientation. Press Alt and Y to choose the Apply To field. Then tap the down arrow key once to choose Selected Text. Tap the Enter key once to set selected text as the choice, then tap Enter again to apply the setting. The Page Setup window will close and the text or image will now be on a landscape layout page. Now you know 2 quick and easy ways to set a single page in your Word document to landscape mode. See you next time.